Good morning. Oh, hi. Good morning, you guys. I am driving off to my senior year of college today. It is like 7 a.m. and my parents are helping me this year and I'm so excited, and they're leaving right now. So I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, so right now we are at Wawa, filling up, and my parents are right there. Say hi! Here's Wawa, and we're gonna get some coffee to get some fuel for ourselves, and we're gonna hit the road. It's only like an hour and a half, so it's really not a far drive, and I'm so excited. Alright, ladies and gents, so we've got our decent, semi-good coffee, and we've got a full tank of gas, so we're gonna hit the road off to senior year. Cheers! Hey.
3579.
Welcome. Yeah. Okay, so my camera died, so I had to charge it a little bit, but this is what we're working with right now. We're unpacking everything. This is my side. Hey, look who's here! Wait, where'd you go?
Yeah!
Hey! Oh yeah!
We're in my room.
Yes, this is gonna be like so cool when it's done. Brick wall, massive windows.
Yes, all ceiling.
Oh, we are living.
Boot up. We can do it all night. No one else will do like it was the first time. I am actually sweating. I like that we don't.
No, don't. Okay guys, so it's obviously a different day. It's a couple days later from move-in day. It's actually my first day of classes today. I just finished my classes and it's so weird being a senior. I don't know. It's weird, but I'm so happy to be back with all my girls. So I'm like officially moved into my room, but me and my roommates still have to do like the common spaces and stuff, but I'll do like a little walkthrough later. I'm so tired right now. I feel like I haven't slept in like 2 weeks. But yeah, so today was first day, went great. So hot out, but I'm going to happy hour later with a couple of my friends for one of our friends' birthday. So maybe I'll add a little clip from that or something.
You guys, look at the camera. First day of school. So like remember to do this? Yeah. It's the vlog. It's for the vlog.
Oh my god. It's gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, it's gonna be on YouTube.
We're gonna be famous.
Hi guys. Sarah here.
Me and my friends are like,
But just wanted to check in, and yeah, I'll give you guys a quick little tour of the room. So I'm standing right at the door. We have like an apartment style complex, and this is what you see when you first walk in. We have a cutie little closet right here, and then this is our bathroom, kitchen action, like common space, and then this is Sarah's room. If you go down the stairs, that's where I live. So here we have a cute little common space, right? Super adorable. And then you come, and this is me and Hallie's room. And I'll give you just a quick little overview. Our room is massive. There I am. But yeah, this is my side on island time always. I think it turned out really cute. Woohoo! So I got my tapestry from Amazon and then just kind of like played around with some of the other decorations that I've had from over the years. This is what I came up with, and it's so homey, and I have some plants obviously. But yeah, I love it. It's been so fun so far. But that is going to conclude this video. It took me like 3 weeks to finish up just because I've been running around like a crazy person, having so much fun being a senior. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! 'Cause I can give you anything.